Hey, what's up guys, an everyday Canadian. Today we're reviewing a new product from, I guess the site is called TEMU. You guys have probably heard it. I don't know if it's a hit or a miss. I got this free irrigation plant water thingy. We're just going to review it and test it. Basically, you put a water bottle inside. You stab it into your soil, and they come with little dial things where you can control the water flow. So basically you can adjust it where you can put a drop every once in a while, or you can feed it constantly. Anyways, we're going to review it. I got some house plants that need watering. I travel a lot, so I'm never home to water my plants. So yeah, this is just a review and yeah, a trial. We're going to see how it goes. So let's get started. All right guys, it is set up. I got it dripping. It usually drips every like minute. I had to blow air inside of it. Me personally, I don't really like it, only because you can't determine how much water your plant's actually getting. If I were to get something that waters my plants, it should be like an aqua globe where you can fill it up with water. It is dripping. I had to blow air inside the bottle, but you just adjust it right here. But it is dripping slowly, but I don't know if that determines how much water the plant is actually getting. But yeah, I don't trust it. I really don't like it. It looks like it's really cheaply made. Go get yourself an aqua globe. They're really cheap. You can get them at the dollar store. But far as I'm concerned, this was free. I thought I would do a little review on it and test it out. But it is working, but really slow. So let me know what you guys think, or if you've used one before. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on social media. This is an Everyday Canadian. Take care, guys.